Hi, my name is Garretholm. I go to the University of Wisconsin-Platteville, and for my final analog electronics design project, I designed an audio amplifier that could be used as a guitar distortion pedal. So here's my input signal. It could be a guitar signal. It could also be an MP3 player. Any sort of device that has a line level output could be connected. My input impedance for this project was used as 50 ohms, which was the output resistance of the function generator. Here we have the first stage, and you notice that I have a potentiometer in place of the resistor at the collector. Now what this does is this adjusts the gain of the first stage, and what this allows you to do, if you want a distorted signal, you can turn that potentiometer all the way up so you have a very high resistance here, which will boost the gain for the rest of these stages. If you have it real low, the gain isn't as great and the signal won't be as distorted. Now the output from this collector will then be fed into the base of the second transistor, which is another gain stage. These two resistors were set to a predetermined gain, and the collector is then fed into the base of the output stage transistor, which the output jack is then connected to from the emitter. Now the output jack in this design project and the input jack were both 1/8 inch connectors. If I wanted to use a guitar, I would have to switch these out for 1/4 inch. So now we'll go over and test out my design. All right, so here's my design. You can see I have my iPod connected to the input via 1/8 inch connector. Here's the potentiometer, and here's the output jack fed into headphones. Now we will demonstrate it. I don't know if it's coming out. Yeah, it's just a quiet song.
I can do better.
So, last video, I explained how this worked. The song was a little bit too quiet to hear, so now I've turned the gain up on another song, and you can kind of hear how it works. Now this is with the gain knob all the way up, and you can tell that it is distorted, which is what I want, because eventually I will replace these 1/8 inch connectors with 1/4 inch connectors, which I can use for my guitar pedal.